हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज अशकुल। तो आज की वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं कुछ और अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की, पर्टिकुलरली फॉर डेटा साइंटिस्ट, मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियर्स। तो a lot of times I have seen people requesting for data science jobs, machine learning jobs for freshers. So I got some jobs that are currently some challenges that can help you land a job for data analysis, data science, machine learning, Python. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and I'll be giving complete information about some of these challenges, some of these hackathons, some of these openings that you can apply for currently. If you majorly it will be for freshers, maybe one or two for a little bit of experience of 1 year or 6 months. So make sure you watch this video till the end. The first opportunity is by American Express. So they've come up with their M Expert Code Lab 2021. It's basically a program known as machine learning hackathon, in which you all can participate, all data enthusiasts, data scientists, analysts, statisticians, and students. The rank, like they are giving prizes also: Fitbit Versa 2 smartwatch, black and carbon aluminum. They are giving JBL Tune 700 BT by Harman, 27 hours playtime with quick charging, wireless over ear headphones with mic. A lot of prizes. Along with that, a chance to interview at American Express. That's something that's the most important. So make sure you apply for the same and register if you're looking forward to data science job at American Express. Next, there's an opening of applied scientist at Dunnhumby. So they're looking forward to applied scientists. Your experience might be from 6 months to 18 months. So if you, even if you've done an internship of 6 months, you can apply for this particular opportunity of applied scientist at Dunnhumby. All you have to do is make sure that you are well versed with these tech skills, statistical modeling, and experience of applying data science to client problems. So this is something that they require. They require Python and SQL. Like that's something that is very important. Degree in statistics, maths, economics, physics, or any other similar field. If you're from computer science, then also you can apply. Also, you might be knowing about Relevel. It's a platform by Unacademy through which you can get your dream job within 15 days. You can apply for backend development, business development, and front-end development. Currently, there are a lot of companies that are hiring through Relevel. CultFit is one of the company, one of the amazing startups that's basically related to food, fitness, and meditation. They are currently hiring for business development at CTC of 5.5 LP. All you have to do is register for the same. I'll give the link to CultFit's opening as well as Relevel in the description below. Make sure you apply for the same. Once you score above 700, you will be called by the company for interviews. Once you interview, you can get a job at CultFit. No college tier matters, no resume matters. All that matters is your skills, right? Next, there's an opening by Elite Data Scientist Hiring Challenge. They're looking forward to somebody with 1 year of experience. So if you have 1 year of experience working in data science and ML, so you can apply for this. Your challenge format is going to be one machine learning question. R or Python is preferred language for coding. So this is also an amazing challenge. You can apply for this. Next is the data science intern by TechGig. TechGig is hiring for data scientist intern, and for that, experience required is 0 to 3 years. If you have strong interest in engineering with interest in statistics, data science, experience in predictive modeling, data science analysis, programming experience in Python or R, so you should definitely apply for this particular opportunity. They require these particular skills. I'll give the link to this also in the description below. Make sure you apply for this. Also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe this channel, and share it with your friends for more such amazing videos coming ahead. Thank you so much.